How to edit navigation menu in mobile in Wix Studio. So in order to edit your navigation menu, head over first right here into this mobile interface since we need to edit it right there. Now, as you can see, this is what our site will look like. So as you can see, we have in here the actual title of the site and we can see right here the menu. So what we can do is we can head over and adjust some elements. For example, we have in here these two arrows. You can adjust them down. So as you can see right here, I have fixed the header. So once you have fixed your header, you can head over and click onto this three lines right here because this is actually our navigation menu. You can click onto that particular hamburger menu right there and click onto this open menu option. Now from in there, it should be able to show you in here what the menu will look like so you can head over and edit it out again according to your liking. Now for this particular menu, you can also edit out the things that has been added. So for example, for this case, let's edit out this X first. And then you can head over and add another item to your menu. So to do that, just click onto the actual items that we have right here. And then click onto this manage menu option. And then from in there, you can click onto this add item in order to add another option right here into your navigation menu. So that's how you edit navigation menu in mobile in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.